We're looking at homework from section 5.3. It's question number 21. A vending machine dispenses coffee into a 16-ounce cup. The amount of coffee dispensed into the cup is normally distributed with a standard deviation of 0.03 ounce. You can allow the cup to overfill 4% of the time. What amount should you set as the mean amount of coffee to be dispensed? So the top 4% of volumes means an area of 0.0400 lies to the right. So we want area to the left because the values in the standard normal distribution table always represent areas to the left of a given z-score. So if there's 0.0400 to the right, that means there's 0.9600 to the left, and that's what we're going to look for in the body of our table. So we need the positive side of the standard normal distribution table because 0.9600 is greater than 0.5. We look for the 0.96000, and unfortunately it's not in the table. But there is a value that's very close to it, and that would be 0.9599. That corresponds to a z-score of 1.75. But we need to compute the number of ounces that we should set the mean to, not a z-score. So the question asks for volume. We're specifically looking for the mean. It says what amount should you set as the mean. So we are going to use the x value formula, but we're not going to find the x this time. We're going to find the mean. And we're going to use the size of the cup as our x value, so 16 ounces. We get 16 equals mu plus our z-score, which was 1.75, times the standard deviation, which was 0.03. When we multiply that out, we find out that 16 equals mu plus 0.525, and subtracting 0.525 gives us a mu value of 15.475. We're supposed to round this to 2 decimal places, so that means the mean amount that we should set the machine to dispense is 15.48 ounces, and then it'll overfill about 4% of the time. That's your answer.